Amazing facts about Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, covering over 6.7 million square kilometers in South America. The Amazon is also a major carbon sink, helping to regulate the Earth's climate by absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The Amazon basin is home to over 30 million people, including many indigenous communities who rely on the forest for their livelihoods. The Amazon is sometimes referred to as the lungs of the planet because it produces 20% of the world's oxygen. It is home to over 10% of the world's known species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The Amazon is also an important source of food, with many species of plants and animals that are used for subsistence and commercial purposes. The Amazon rainforest is also vulnerable to natural disasters, such as fires and floods, which can have significant impacts on local communities and the environment. The Amazon rainforest is a major source of fresh water, with the Amazon River and its tributaries providing water to millions of people. Deforestation of the Amazon rainforest is a major concern, as large areas of forest are being cleared for agriculture, mining, and other activities. Despite the challenges, there are efforts to protect and conserve the Amazon rainforest, including protected areas, sustainable development initiatives, and reforestation projects.